Feeling overwhelmed by your business, like you're juggling a million things at once? Today, I'm going to show you how I transformed my entire business using Asana, turning chaos into complete control. First, create separate projects for each key area of your business, such as marketing, sales, product development, and operations. Think of these as your virtual departments. Within each project, break down your goals into actionable tasks. For example, in your marketing project, you might have tasks like schedule social media posts, write weekly newsletter, or create a blog post. Be specific and assign due dates and assignees. Use custom fields to add extra layers of organization. I use them to track things like priority level, budget, or status of a task. This allows for easy filtering and reporting. Communication is key, so use Asana's commenting feature to discuss tasks, share updates, and keep everyone on the same page. Set up recurring tasks for routine activities like weekly team meetings, monthly reports, or quarterly reviews. Automating these tasks saves a ton of time. Finally, regularly review your Asana workspace to ensure everything is on track. Reprioritize tasks as needed, and make sure your team is staying aligned with your overall business goals. And that's it. By implementing these strategies, you can harness Asana's power to organize every aspect of your business, boost productivity, and achieve your goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Asana hacks.